Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Samsung S26 or S26 older. So first, if everything is okay with the phone and you have full access to it, you can simply go in the settings, then in the general management, reset. And if you swipe all the way down, you see you have factory date reset option over here. If you click it, so you see, you scroll all the way down, and once you click reset, it will delete everything from your phone, all the accounts, pictures, videos, all the private information, everything. But what if, for example, you do not have the access to the phone, or something maybe has happened to it, or maybe again there is some kind of security on it? Then to reset it, we actually are going to need to connect to a PC, laptop, or Mac as well. So so like a PC or laptop. So I'm going to connect using my charger cable here. Okay, and next we need to boot it up in the Android recovery menu. The way we do it, we press and hold the power plus volume down till the phone shuts down. And once it's off, we are going to hold the power plus volume up till you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. So let's do it. So you see power plus volume down, and keep holding this till it shuts down. Maybe like 10 seconds it takes. Okay, and jump to holding the power plus up. And on the Samsung logo, release the power, but keep holding the volume up till you see basically this window here. And you see you have a bunch of different choices here. So using your volume button, so up and down, we want to go to the wipe data factory reset. And next select with the power button here. And you see it gives you final confirmation here. So again, using your volume buttons, we want to go to the factory date reset and confirm with the power button. Once you do that, again, everything will get wiped from your phone. All your pictures, videos you had on it also obviously will get lost, but also it will remove the security. By the way, if on your phone you previously had like a Google account, so if you were logged into Google account on this phone, it will ask you to also confirm the email address that you had on it and also the password of it. So if you do not remember that, maybe do not do it, because otherwise you can even brick your phone if you want to back out of this. So I have no need to do it. So I can click cancel and reboot system now to get out of this menu here. Okay, good luck.